And as if I'd had it planned, I have had a hormonal breakout. Hello, my name's Hayley and welcome to another salon at home video. I am exceptionally excited for this one in particular. The Sassy Saints at Home Facial Kit, Bio-Microneedling to give it its full title. Now, I seriously started to get into skincare maybe 18 months ago, 2 years ago. Obviously, I dabbled before, but it was the Korean stuff that really ignited my interest. And when I saw that, firstly, Sassy Saints were introducing an at-home facial kit, I was interested. And then I found out that it was a Korean style facial using Korean ingredients. Very excited, very excited. Now, as a 43-year-old woman, my skin has begun to change. The perimenopause has introduced this hormonal acne, which is utterly annoying, and I swear I have more spots now than I ever had when I was a teenager. And then obviously the fallout and scarring from said spots is something that I am struggling to get rid of. I also have some dark spots. I've taken some pictures, which I'll pop here. I have dark spots, acne scarring, fine lines, the whole shebang. Everything that this kit is supposed to deal with. Now, I've been using a retinol properly for about 6 months, and although it has made the texture of my skin better, it's not really done anything to these dark spots. So I have been looking at microneedling kits. So what do you get? There are 4 treatments in here. So we have our Bio-Microneedle powder, our liquid, our masks, and these rather cute little syringes down here that contain our revitalising glow. Now, this kit is currently on their website for £89. I can get it to you for £79 if you want to use my code. I'll put the link below. And remember that this code gets you £10 off any kit on the Sassy Saints website. Nail kit, lashes, brows, facial, anything. And at the moment, you also get a free toolkit, which is this rather lovely, I did already have a look. You get a little bowl, but the main thing is this rather nice, I can't get it open, spatula. Now, when I put face masks on now, I use a foundation brush, but this is a silicone brush and it's really soft. So I think I'm going to be using this rather than the foundation brush when I put normal masks on anyway. So what we are going to do in this video, I am going to do a full application. I'm going to talk through what I like, what I don't like, what feels weird. I don't know what's going to happen because I've not done it yet. And then I am going to do a quick update tomorrow morning to see if there's any difference, how it felt. Did I have any negative experiences? And then I'm going to do a second video after I have used the entire kit, all 4 treatments, and we're going to have a proper before and after. Does this kit actually work? I bought this kit with my own money. I'm not sponsored. This is not an advert. This will be my 100% honest opinion. Let's go. If you have bought this kit, please go to the proper instructions and always make sure you've washed your hands. Now, step 1, we take our 2 little vials, the powder and the liquid, and we put them in our little bowl and we mix them up till there are no lumps. Now, this is quite fun. I feel like some ancient witch mixing a potion. No comments about my current appearance, please. This is a gorgeous dark green powder, by the way. Right, liquid. It's quite viscous. Alright, now a nice little brush. And we're going to It was Halloween not that long ago, actually. Oh, considering it's green. What would I say it smells like? Not seaweedy. It has a very faint, it's not a bad smell, it's a very faint earthy smell. Yeah, a very faint earthy smell I think we'll go for. This colour, my God, I love this colour. I want this in a nail powder. I'm going to have to check to see what nail powders they do in this now. Oh, right, okay, I would say we are mixed. That didn't take very long at all. So now we apply this in thin layers all over the face, and you keep going until it's all used up. It can dry quite quickly apparently, but you just keep going until it's all used up, spread evenly across the face. We then massage it into our face for 5 minutes, and then we leave it on the skin for 15 minutes. Goes on nice and smoothly. We are to avoid the eye area. Right, I think that is about coverage. I have used all of that up, and I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes. And we're going to massage. While I was applying the product with the spatula, I didn't feel anything at all. It was just like spreading any face mask. Now I am massaging it in with my fingers. I can feel a very, very slight, almost like, I don't want to say pins and needles, but it's not pins and needles. There is zero pain. There's somebody at the door and I am not answering it. Looking at me. That's probably my coffee delivery. Sorry, dog. Answering the phone. Answering the door right now. Very definitely isn't happening. Bloody sod's law, isn't it? Right, we have just hit 5 minutes. I do really like this green. I mean, I won't wear makeup like this all the time. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes and report back.
A few minutes later.
Before I go and wash this off, I would like to say that this has become rather tight. It's not painful or anything, but it's very tight. I'll be back. I'm back. Right, I used a flannel to gently massage the mask off. It came off really nice and easily. I did take some photos again in the bathroom with daylight to try and keep a track of the process. Just looking in the camera right now, this bit looks a bit red to me, and this is where I was talking about that patch of what I think is melasma. Not sure, but my skin feels a little bit tight at the moment. No pain, no discomfort. So we're going to move on to the next stage, which is the Collagen Revitalize Mask. So far, very pleasant experience. I mean, I like faffing about doing little self-care type things anyway. So I presume this is like a lot of the Korean sheet masks that I've used in the past. Now, if you're having trouble getting this to fit to your face properly, you can snip the sides with a pair of scissors, just so that it sits on your face a little bit nicer. And hopefully this is going to get rid of that tightness that I'm currently feeling. So I'm just going to look in my mirror again, and we leave this on for 15 minutes. I just want to press it into those areas. If you don't have any scissors to hand, or you can't necessarily be bothered with that, you can just fold it, which is what I normally do when I'm using a sheet mask anyway, because you're just getting, it doesn't have to necessarily sit completely flat on your face, because the mask itself is just a way of holding the product on your skin for longer. And then the packet itself, if there's any left, you give that a squeeze, whatever's left in there. And you do this with any sheet mask, not just this particular treatment. Sorry, I've just noticed I think I've got the camera on the face tracking mode. I'm sorry if that's annoying, I can't turn it off at the moment. My hands are occupied elsewhere. So just get the rest of that serum and just put it everywhere. And I'll see you in 15 minutes. Right now, I would say my skin feels a little bit sensitive as I'm sort of gently just rubbing in this last little bit of the serum. It's not pain, it's just a very slight sensitivity. So the final stage is with the Revitalising Glow Serum. So that is the facial done. Let me put my glasses back on. Oh, there we go. So lovely experience so far. We will see what happens over the next couple of days. The kit contains 4 treatments and you can do them a maximum, I think it says 10 to 14 days. So probably what I will do is do one every other week until I finish using the kit, and then I will make that second video and we can have a proper look to see how much my skin has changed. So I've got the serum on, we are all done. I definitely feel a little bit of tightness, we've got a little bit of redness, I do feel a bit glowy, and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. Good morning. This is the very next day. I am struggling getting up in the dark. So nothing too untoward. The tops of my cheeks are a little bit red, but I think I have some melasma there anyway. My spot has calmed down a bit, but there's no sort of tightness, no uncomfortableness. My neck's fine, everything feels fine. I'll just be splashing a bit of water on my face this morning, because you're not allowed to use any products or anything yet, but it does feel quite nice and soft. So yeah, we'll see how the day progresses. Day 1. Good morning. It is a week later. Apologies for the mess. I'm still trying to get my new office sorted, but let's talk facials. So these are my before pictures. I've tried to take all of these pictures in natural daylight to give the best comparison. As you can see, as I said earlier, I do have some dark spots, acne scarring, the general wear and tear of being a woman in her 40s. And these are the pictures that I took this morning. And I have to say, I am impressed. And obviously there's things that aren't going to come across in the photos. My skin feels a lot firmer and a lot softer. And I noticed that literally the day after I did the facial. Now, I can't see any difference in the dark spots, but I have only done 1 treatment so far. And if you know anything about dark spots on your face, it's not something that's on the surface. It goes through the layers of skin. So as a facial like this removes the layers of dead skin and encourages new cell growth, over time, my dark spots should fade. But as for the immediate effect, it definitely felt and looked smoother. Now, during a normal day, I will wash my face, do my skincare, and then by sort of lunchtime, I can see that here my pores have enlarged as the oil production, the natural oil production in my face is doing what it's supposed to be doing. my pores look enlarged and the fine lines can be seen much more visibly. That didn't happen. So as far as promises that this product makes, pores visibly reduced? Yes. Fine lines reduced? Yes. Skin softness, skin firmness? Yes, yes. It was a very pleasant product to use. I'm really looking forward to doing it again this Friday. There were no negatives. The day that I did it about lunchtime, and by that evening I did have some redness, some slight, not itching but tickling. I had the same the following day. And I had stopped using all my actives, all my face care, everything. I just sort of splashed with water in the morning, everything was fine. And then on the second day in the evening, redness again, a little bit of light tickling, but by the third day that had gone. I did start using my exfoliating toner on the fourth day, and then on the fifth day I used my exfoliating toner and my retinol as I normally would every evening, and there has been no adverse reaction, nothing. So really pleased, really excited about doing treatment number 2 and 3 and 4 and seeing where I am in, it'll be about 4 to 6 weeks. So as I said at the beginning of this video, this is video number 1. I will be doing video number 2 when I have used all the treatments in the kit, so we can have a really good before and after to see where I'm at. If you are interested in buying the kit, don't forget you can get £10 off if you use my code down below. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please press like, please press subscribe so you don't miss the next instalment of this video. And I keep getting comments asking me if I'm going to review the Sassy Saints Chrome kit. I am, it's in the post, it's winging its way to me currently. I can't wait to give that a go either. So again, subscribe, make sure you don't miss out on that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!